Hi everybody. So in this video, we'll be explaining about how to solve problems involving inverse proportion. Let us read the problem. Three men can finish painting a house in 6 hours. In how many hours can two men finish the same job? So first, determine first the given quantities and the values rather. So we have the number of men, which are three, the number of hours to finish the job. If there are three men, that is equal to 6 hours. Now, next is what is asked in the problem. Uh, that is the number of hours to finish the job or the same job if there are only two men, and that is unknown. So here are the steps to take in order to answer that particular problem. First, you have to identify first or make sure that the proportion in the situation is inverse. And secondly, if it's inverse, then you follow the solution below. Okay? And in the previous discussion, we already know that this problem involves an inverse proportion since we have this explanation here. As the number of workers decreases, the number of hours to finish the job will increase. And if the number of workers increases, then therefore it will take less time to finish the same job. So since we know and we made sure already that it's an inverse proportion, then we can follow the steps below. First step is to list the quantities and values in column. So the quantities given in the problem are number of workers, and the second quantity is the number of hours. So those are the quantities involved, and then we will fill in or write the values. So we have when there are three workers, and it will take 6 hours to finish the job. And the question is, if there are two workers, how long can they finish the same job? And that is unknown. So we will represent that one as our question mark. Okay, that's our first step. The second step is to cross divide. When we say cross divide, you will divide the terms or the numbers that crossed each other. We have 6 and 2, and then the question mark or the unknown number and the 3. So we will divide them. Okay? So we have this one. Let us write first 6 divided by 2 and question mark divided by 3. The third step is to follow this one. You divide first the complete crossed pair. These are the crossed pair, and the complete crossed pair are 6 and 2 with the highest as the dividend. 6 is the highest, that's why you write 6 first before 2. And then for the second pair, divide the second crossed pair with dividend that comes from the same column with that of the complete pair. So since in between the pair 6 and 2, 6 is the highest in that complete pair, the dividend in the second set will also be the question mark or the question mark because it has the same column with 6. Okay? That's why we put question mark divided by 3. So again, we divide 6 divided by 2. 6 is highest, so we write 6 first. And then we write question mark divided by 3. And then next is we answer. The last part is to solve for the missing part. How to solve for the missing part? You will answer first the complete pair, which is 6 divided by 2, and that is 3. Now, we will solve for the missing term through this one. Question mark is divided by 3. The answer must also be the answer that comes from the first pair, which is 3. And how to get the value of our question mark? We can get that one by just multiplying 3 here times the 3 here.